Now you have to find your first process and you can start releasing lot cards into it. So we're going to the lot view where we see our process. There's the queue with orders. There's currently no orders in there. And here you see the individual stations: welding, quality inspection, assembly, shipping, in the order that the process suspension parts is defining. In order to release an order to this process, we press plus on the lot view, select the basic lot, and let's call these left parts, because we are making 20 parts for the left side of a car. And we select an end date, which is 1 week from today. I skip the description here. You can put work instructions or other things that are relevant for this order. And then I press create lot to create a lot card with 20 suspension parts. So this is now a custom order that is waiting, and hopefully it's done within the next 7 days. So you can now grab a tablet and put it to the same URL that you are on with your browser, or you go to the station itself. So I can select the dashboard view, and there's nothing here because the order is still in the queue. So I can press the button pull and kick off the suspension parts that are in the queue. I take all 20 because that's what I want to work on, and I want to start doing the welding. And now once I'm done welding my 20 parts, I click on them. I can now break the lot up, and I'm just done with 5 of them, and I move those forward. So now these 5 show up in quality inspection, and you can now see there's something going on. A quality inspection is green because there are only 5 parts, and welding is orange because the majority of orders right now is there. I can see this in my lot view. So I have the 15 parts still in welding, and I have 5 that are already in quality inspection. And I can now go to the quality inspection dashboard and see the lot there as well. So I'm just done with that actually, and I want to move 5 of them forward, which now get moved to assembly. I might have another event. The welders have moved another 5 forward, and I can now see at the assembly that 5 might have gotten assembled. So move them. And now that I created some traffic on the floor, we can actually go and inspect the statistics view and see that right now we had 10 units coming through welding, we had 5 units coming through inspection, and we have 5 units coming through assembly.